Hello, everyone, and welcome. It's your girl, Keish, the counselor. And today I'm going to be talking to you about an underserved resource right in your community that you probably knew nothing about. And so I'm going to tell you what they are and how to utilize them in your counseling program. So today we're going to be talking about the historical D9, the Divine Nine, which is basically amazing historical Black fraternities and sororities. We have nine, and as you can see, I am decked out in my sorority colors, my sweater, and my paraphernalia behind me. So we have nine organizations, starting with five fraternities. We have Alpha Phi Alpha Fraternity, Kappa Alpha Psi Fraternity, Omega Psi Phi Fraternity, Phi Beta Sigma Fraternity Incorporated, my brothers, and we have Iota Phi Theta Fraternity. For the sororities, we have four. And we have, starting with Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority, Delta Sigma Theta Sorority, Zeta Phi Beta Sorority, my organization, and we have Sigma Gamma Rho sorority, who are also celebrating their 100th year. So congratulations to all my SG Row friends. So now, the thing that you want to know for your counseling program is that all of these amazing organizations, we have special programs. And our programs that we have are beneficial for the community. So I'm going to tell you about a few of them and how you can reach out to those who are in your area and make powerful partnerships with your school and those organizations. So we're going to start with AKA, or Alpha Kappa Alpha. And Alpha Kappa Alpha has a youth leadership institute for girls ages 11 through 13. This youth leadership initiative is designed for leadership skills and designed to empower and to engage youth. Moving on to that, we have the Delta Gems. The Delta Gems are part of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority. And this program is a roadmap where they offer college and career planning activities that provides for self-reflection and individual growth. Moving on to my sorority, Zeta Phi Beta Sorority Incorporated, we have an amazing project called Z-Hope. Z-Hope simply means Zetas helping other people to excel. And with that program, it's focused on three particular areas: the mind, the body, and the spirit. And through that, we break down to another area where we target women, international women, youth, the elderly, and men. And so we have many different programs, such as Adopt a School, where a local chapter of Zeta Phi Beta Sorority in your community will adopt a school to help with needs, programming, and fundraising. So this is definitely something that you as a school counselor will want to get involved with, because it's going to, one, benefit your school. Two, it's going to enrich your program. And whereas you don't have to start creating things from scratch, you can start facilitating things as you network with these organizations. Then we have Sigma Gamma Rho. Sigma Gamma Rho has an annual youth symposium and a wonderful initiative called Swim 1922, where they are encouraging and they're reaching out to teach people in the Black and brown communities how to swim. So if you have something where it's kind of like an athletic group, or you want to start a swim club or something like that, that would be the best group for you to reach out with. Now, in terms of the fraternities, where they have programs for young men, you may want to reach out to Alpha Phi Alpha Fraternity for their Go to High School, Go to College project. And then there's also Project Alpha. And it's about education, motivating, skill building, and teenage pregnancy prevention. And this is for young men ages 12 to 15. They're the Kappa Gents for Kappa Alpha Psi Fraternity, and this is ranging from grade 6 through 12. Next, we have the Omega Gents Youth Mentoring Program. And then we have the Sigma Beta Club, which is part of Phi Beta Sigma Fraternity. Now, the Omega Gents, if I didn't say it before, is for Omega Psi Phi Fraternity. And the Sigma Beta Club is for my brothers, Phi Beta Sigma Fraternity. It also focuses on culture, athletics, and education and social needs. So, by partnering with these amazing organizations, every one of these organizations, at least 8 of them, have existed for over 100 years. So this is not something that's new that just came up out of the blue. They were created a very, very long time ago. And again, if you Google them, you can find the ones that are in your area. So if you are, let's just say, from New York State, I'm always going to use New York because that's my hometown. So if I'm looking for a chapter or an alumni chapter for, let's just say, well, we have chapters. So if we're going to say I'm looking for a graduate chapter of Zeta Phi Beta or an alumni chapter of Delta Sigma Theta for whatever program, I will put in New York Zeta Phi Beta sorority graduate chapter, and then something should come up. Or you can visit their international websites for AKA, SG Rho, Delta Sigma Theta, Zeta Phi Beta, all of us. You can look for us literally on YouTube and reach out to our, contact us on those websites. You can also look for us on Instagram. We are around. So look for your area and see what organization is there. Reach out to them. They will love to hear from you because, again, we do these programs every single year. And so by creating an alliance, creating a partnership, it is a wonderful way for us to combine, do service, help our students, and create amazing programs that will be really unforgettable. So I hope that this was informative and helpful and that you learned a little something about the different organizations. If you didn't know about it before, definitely reach out. Ask your other counseling buddies. Sometimes you'll be surprised. You may have a school counselor in your school, a counseling buddy that may belong to one of our organizations. Reach out to them. If you see paraphernalia, little trinkets in the office, ask. It will definitely make a difference. And so, again, I hope that this was informative. Please remember to like and subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you know when the latest episode is coming out.